In this video, I will be showing you how to make an event ticket in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the templates page by clicking into the search bar and typing in event ticket to see what options are available. As the results load, I can scroll down through a wide variety of designs, from prom and concert tickets to sports events and raffles. Once I find a layout I like, such as this minimalist concert ticket, I'll click on it and then select the Customize this template button. Now that the editor is open, I can start personalizing the information. I'll double-click the date to change it to June 20th, and then move over to the time to update it to 9 p.m. Next, I'll click on the price and adjust that to $30. I also want to change the specific seating details, so I'll update the gate to number 2, change the row to 01, and finally set the seat number to 15. With the edits complete, I'll head to the top right corner and click on Share. Then select the Download option. That is the simplest way to create and customize your own professional event tickets.